Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your headphones Argon Audio Quiet Storm. So to enable or disable HD audio we need to enter to the developer options. If you don't know how to do this, you can check video at this channel. We have it just for your device. After you enable developer options, go to the settings, then system, so we need to scroll down. Right here we have developer options, at least on stock Android. Enter to the developer options and now you need to scroll down and you need to find HD audio, but you can use a search and you can write HD audio here. Here it is, what's located in the developer options. Tap at this line. Now to disable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have colorful background. If you disable HD audio, you will use SBC Bluetooth audio codec. To enable it, you need to tap one time at this line if the slider have empty background. And when you enable it, you can swap between Bluetooth audio codecs. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!